This beautiful log cabin has 3 stories. There is a restroom on each floor. The 3rd floor is comprised of 3 bedrooms. The 2nd floor features common areas, such as the living room and kitchen. This floor has the main entrance to the home. The 1st floor has a bedroom, laundry room, and utility room. Let's take a look at the floor plan, starting with the second floor. Here is the entrance, the dining area, the kitchen, guest bathroom, living room, the sunroom, the bonus room. The bonus room was previously used for a hot tub. However, it could also be used for crafting, pottery, or whatever. The staircase. This side goes up to the third floor, and this side goes down to the first floor. Let's go upstairs, beginning with the bathroom. Guest bedroom number 1, guest bedroom number 2, walk-in closet, master bedroom number 1, walk-in closet. Let's head back downstairs to the second level and around to the other staircase leading down to the first level. Starting with master bedroom number 2. Bathroom. Oversized laundry room with tons of storage. And the spacious utility room, which was previously used as a workshop. How would you like to have a front yard that looks like this? The deck wraps around most of the home. The deck is comprised of a composite material. It's a great place to take in some fresh air while you relax. Here is the bonus room, and here is a trail to the gazebo. Enjoy panoramic views of the forest while you barbecue. Jumping to the rear of the home, we see the sunroom, the terraced backyard, and another covered deck just outside the kitchen. Around the corner, we come to an open deck with more views of the forest. This portion of the deck has enough room for outside dining. It has convenient access to the kitchen through the French doors. Detached two-car garage located right near the home. This is the attic space right above the garage. This is the RV garage, which is located close to Walker Road. It is long enough to fit most cars tandem. It's a great place to store your RZR, your quads, your go-kart, your boat, etc. This is Walker Road. The driveway leading up to the home is in great shape.